Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, this cooking video is going to be a little different. I did a ham, spiral cut ham, on my offset wood burner, and I gotta tell you, it turned out awesome. That wood smoke on it, oh my, took it over the top. Of course, it was a pre-cooked ham. And I just used the glazing packet that came along with it. Unfortunately, as you will see at the end, when I went to record the final part, my camera didn't work, so I didn't get I got a picture of it all done, but as far as a sample taste and things like that, I didn't get that. But you'll get the idea. It was a 15-pound ham, or I'm sorry, a 10-pound ham, and I cooked it basically 15 minutes per pound. A little bit longer than that just to get the glaze to set. Yeah, I kept the smoker right around 250 as far as the temp, and it came out awesome. So, hope you enjoy what video I have, and used a GoPro on part of it. I'm going to get more into filming with the GoPro on certain things, and we will go from there. So okay, here's our pre-cooked ham. We're going to be putting it on the offset smoker. It's a 10-pound ham. I'm going to try to keep the grill right around 250 to 300. Going to let it go basically 15 minutes per pound, so that's about 2.5 hours. I'm going to spritz it with pineapple juice. I'm going to put a thermometer in it later, and once it gets to about 130 internal temp, I'm going to start glazing it. So we'll get it out there on the smoker and let it go for a little while.